Nabu-nāṣir was the king of Babylon from 747 to 734 BC. He deposed a foreign Chaldean usurper named Nabû-shuma-ishkun, bringing native rule back to Babylon after 23 years of Chaldean rule. His reign saw the beginning of a new era characterized by the systematic maintenance of chronologically precise historical records. Both the Babylonian Chronicle and the Ptolemaic Canon begin with his accession to the throne. He was contemporary with the Assyrian kings Aššur-nirarī and Tiglath-Pileser III, the latter under whom he became a vassal, and the Elamite kings Humban-Tahrah and Humban-Nikaš I 910. Nothing is known of his provenance or origin, although it appears he was a native Mesopotamian. His three predecessors were from the migrant Chaldean tribes settled in the far southeast of Babylonia since the 9th century BC. The dynastic chronicle may have been compassed during his reign as it records the succession of kings from the antediluvian era down to his immediate predecessor, Nabû-shuma-ishkun. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.